Math Sample Paper 2026 and 27. Hello students, this sample paper is especially designed to help you prepare smartly for your board exams with the latest pattern 26-27. Read all the questions carefully before starting. Attempt all questions as per the given sections. Maintain neat and clear steps for better marks. Use proper formulas and show complete working. Diagram must be neat and properly labeled. Section A. Section B. Very short answer type questions. Question number 7 to 9 carry 2 marks each. Section C. Short answer type questions. Question number 10 to 12 carry 3 marks each. Section D. Long answer type questions. Question number 13 carries 5 marks. Section E. Case study based question, 4 marks. Always start with the question you find easiest to build confidence. Do not spend too much time on one question, move ahead and come back later. Thank you.